The way we stand on the yoga mat reflects the way we stand in life. We're going to practice today Tadasana, a basic standing pose. Looks simple, yet there's so many intricate details behind it. Tadasana. This is known also as Samasthiti in Ashtanga Yoga. I'll show you basic variations, basic cues to help you stand more tall, to stand better with a nicer alignment. For women out there, for yoginis, if your hips are wider, you can notice that if the knees are dipping inwards, this is known as the Q factor, it means that you need to bring the feet a little bit wider to make the alignment of the leg a little bit easier, avoiding the knees cocking towards the center. So from here, the first element of Tadasana. Tada breaks down into mountain. It means and translates mountain. Asana, sana is the yoga posture. The translation of Samasthiti. Sama means equal, nice and balanced. And Sthiti or Sthiti, forgive me if I'm not pronouncing my Sanskrit correct, translates into standing pose. So we want a nice, equal, balanced mountain, awakened, standing tall. The feet, the first touch, the strong, energetic contact point with us and the earth. I want you to visualize here the foot, the sole of the foot. There's 3 contact points, 1 on the heel and 2 on the ball of the foot. In here, we connect a triangle together as one. So we plant that triangle onto the ground throughout the practice so we can be more secure and more grounded. To become more aware of the sensation, you lift up the toes and you spread them apart nice and wide. This helps you to ground those triangles down on the yoga mat. From there, the toes re-merge and root down on the ground, hooking the toes under with energy, with purpose. We're not sitting here slouching relaxed. We want activation. Drawing an energy upwards through the shin bones. The kneecaps draw upwards by tightening and energizing the quadricep muscles. Buttocks slightly firm. Belly draws in. You roll the shoulders up, behind you once, and we'll have a nice open posture with the hands forward. The back of the neck is tall. We're not looking forward with the head. We're not looking back. We want the ears relatively above the shoulders. So from here, we stand tall. We are active. So imagine this as an active posture. Lifting also in the area of the perineum, the foundation of our torso, by visualizing a line like a hook going down the belly, hooking under the perineum and pulling yourself up. That's the kind of sensation we want to keep active while we stand. This is mountain pose, Tadasana, Samasthiti. We are here, we are tall. If you also know any other tips that can help us understand more about this asana in particular, drop a comment below and let's start a discussion to share tips with each other. Also, please subscribe to this digital yoga shala. This will help me create more videos like this. Yoga tips from teacher to teacher, from teacher to student, and more importantly, from student to student. Thank you for joining me. With much love, have a beautiful, bright, sun-shining day. Namaste.